Buying Sushi token on Gardarian is simple and secure. Jump to our homepage and let's get started. Select a fiat currency you want to exchange and enter the amount you wish to spend. Please pay attention to the minimum amount available for your exchange. Be sure to check the rates, taking the service fee and expected exchange rate into account. Gardarian has a fixed fiat currency fee and isn't charging you with additional or hidden fees. Ensure you have read the terms and conditions and press the button to continue. Paste your Sushi wallet address and write your phone number for SMS verification. Gardarian will never call you, don't worry. If you missed the code, you can always resend it. Enter the code next. The following step is a quick and easy verification of your identity. Take a picture of your document. And let's move to a facial check. Turn on your camera and simply follow the written instructions. Most verifications are processed within a few minutes. The status will automatically update once the verification is completed. After this, you'll need to manually make the payment from your bank account. Use the reference number performing the bank transfer. Payment from another person's account and payment without reference would be cancelled. Please note, the exchange process speed depends on the network speed and SEPA transfer speed. After we receive funds to the bank account, the coin will be sent to your crypto wallet.